This morning I'm on my way to Studio Doubled. They're running a tea box making course. It's a woodworking studio here in Townsville, and it's probably one of the most well-recognized studios here in Townsville. So I'm super excited not only to be doing the course, but also just meeting the owner and being able to have a chat with him. So much more ginger on the real thing. barely even going through the wood.